Okay, so for this activity, you're going to learn how to insert shapes into Photoshop as well as getting rid of layers, which basically there's a little trash can on the layer palette. To find the layer palette, you go up to Window, Layers, if it already isn't on your screen. And right now you'll see that you probably have 4 different shape layers on your original card, and you don't have to keep these, so you could just go ahead and drag them to the trash. You can also hold down your control key and delete layer with the drop down menu. Just a little quicker using the trash can at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a shape. So what you want to do is the rectangle tool, which is 2 tools below the text tool. If you hold down on it, you will see custom shape tool. And then up here you have options for this tool. If you notice you have a fill, you can select the color that you want to use with your shape. And then over here is where you find your shapes. Now if you don't have as many as I do, click on this area here on the arrow and go to all and append it, and it will add all the different shapes for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a shape, and then I'm just going to click back on my Photoshop, and I'm going to click on my mouse, hold down, and drag, and you'll see that it makes the different shapes for me. Okay, now if I want to work with these shapes, I can also change the color by going back in here and changing the color. If I need to move it, I go up to my Move tool, and I can move the shapes around as well. But remember, if I want to move a specific shape, I have to have that layer active to move a specific shape. And if you notice, it's moving different shapes here for me. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is place a photo. So you go File, Place, and I've selected a photo that we took the other day with your class. Double click on it, and it comes in Photoshop in free transform mode. You see the X coming through it? Hold down your shift key while you drag from the corners, and this will keep the photo in perspective. And then you go ahead and double click on it, and now the photo is placed on your document. So remember, have the word sincerely after your text in here. You'll be taking a magic marker and signing your name to the thank you cards, and make sure you save it. To save, you're going to want to save it as a JPEG file, so go Save As, and you want to go over here to Format and click on JPEG, because this is how the kiosk will read your photograph. And make sure that you have a flash drive plugged in, and that you click on the flash drive over in the side panel area here, and then you go ahead and click Save. And that's it. You can put it up to maximum saving as well. Hit OK, and that's the end of the presentation.